In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube grid in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can pick from. I want you to focus on the video section down here, and I want you to click on YouTube Gallery. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the YouTube Gallery widget page. From here, click on Create Widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So on the left-hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. The one we want to go for is the video grid right here. And on the right-hand side, you get a live and fully interactive preview of what that particular template will look like on your Squarespace website. Now, bear in mind that the template is fully customizable, so we can actually remove and add a lot of different elements, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, go ahead, choose video grid, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where you can start customizing your YouTube grid. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and link the relevant YouTube channel URL right here. At the moment, we have the New York Times, as you can see, and then at the bottom here, we can also add some source groups. So if you want to add an additional one, click here, and then obviously title it, and then add the YouTube source by clicking on add URL right here, and then obviously link the YouTube URL. Now, once you've done that, I'm going to click on then here. I'm actually going to go ahead and delete this. We want to go with the one that we have here by default. Once you've added the relevant YouTube channel to your YouTube grid, on the left-hand side, you also see layout, appearance, and advanced. These are some more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your YouTube grid to your liking. So if you go to layout as an example, you will find header, columns and rows, video, pop-up, and slider settings. So for example, if you go to the header section here, we can enable or disable the header. As you can see, this is the header for the YouTube channel. You can have this enabled. If you want to display this here, you can hide and show a bunch of different elements. So for example, if you want to hide the logo, you can simply click on this and then the logo gets hidden. In my case, I'll add it and just keep it as it is. Then if you go back, columns and rows, you can have, let's just suppose, one row because we want to keep it nice and simple. There we go. Just give it a second to update. And this is what it would look like. You can also optimize the YouTube grid for a mobile device if that's relevant for you. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different customizations you can take advantage of. I'm not going to go for every single one. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But yeah, once you're ready with setting up your YouTube grid widget, click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your YouTube grid will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button right here. Click on it and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what you need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, or if you plan to get more than 200 views on your YouTube grid, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your YouTube grid widget. This is what the page is going to look like. Click on copy code in the top right corner here, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace website. I want to click on edit to get into the actual editor, and I want to add a brand new blank section to my page. So I'm going to click on that section at the bottom here beneath this image, and then I'm going to click on add a blank section. What that's going to do is add this blank section at the bottom here. And if I click on add block in the top left corner of the section, I'm going to search for code right here and then click on option number 3, which is code. That's going to add this code block to my page. I'm going to resize it accordingly like this, double click on it, and then this window is going to appear. Make sure the mode is set to HTML and delete this text here and replace it with the code we just copied previously from Elfsight. Click away from it, save, and exit out of the editor. And as you can see, here is my YouTube grid. It looks super nice and clean. And as you can see, it's fully interactive. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go back and make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to embed the YouTube grid in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.